if z is a complex number such that modulus of z is greater than 2, so it states that modulus of z is greater than equals to 2. This explains there is a region on or outside this circle. What is the circle? The circle with center at 0, 0 and radius is 2 units. So this explains that region. So what we need to find? We need to find the minimum distance of z plus half. This means z minus half. If you draw the circle, this is a circle having center 0, 0, and if the radius is 2 units, this is 2, 0, and this point is minus 2, 0. Another point will be minus half, 0. So A, B, and C. We need to find the minimum distance of z equals to 2 from minus half, 0. That means we need to find the distance from A to B. This is the minimum distance. So minimum distance will be 2 minus half, which is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 lies between 1 and 2. So option B, which says lies in the interval 1 and 2, is the correct answer.